Hi everybody, I'm here with the Cali and Haggard puppies. These are full AKC, technically standard but poodles, but they're going to be more the Moyen size. They're very cute. We have 5 boys and 1 girl. The girl, who is a cream, and our little Merle here are both reserved for our companion program. But we have 4 little boys that are still looking for some wonderful homes for them. These are a little late in coming, but we wanted to get everyone up to date on where they were at. They're super playful, and we're about to start their first slurry of food. Very exciting. They're just over 4 weeks old. These pups will be going home on Valentine's Day, actually. So these are Valentine's puppies. Hi, buddy. Hi. All right. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend.